Our mission is to assist people of all disabilities and all ages in our community to live as independently as possible. Most of our services are done in the community and in people's homes, and it's to allow them to be a fully functioning member of our community.
It is a vast, encompassing organization that gets involved with many issues that involve persons with disabilities. Everything from education to housing to health and employment.
Day in and day out, we're working with people with disabilities to help them achieve the most they can achieve, be full participants in the community, and by doing that, they bring a richness to our entire community because it includes everybody.
Independence First has influenced the community in just being open and broad about its resource and offering to highlight individuals with disabilities, but to show that we all want the same thing. We want to have the ability to work and thrive and grow.
Me and my other co-workers help people with disabilities see that life doesn't end with your disability, and you are more than your disability. Your disability shouldn't define you as a person.
The work that Independence First does largely elevates people's self-worth and their ability to be out in the community and contribute.
Independence First, it helps you live your life to the fullest. They really help me get independent. They help me get my house. They help me get my life in order.
We're not just people with disabilities. We're not that much different from anyone else. And to include them in whatever, life in general, society, we shouldn't be looking at like second-class citizens.
When I got with Independence First, it opened up a lot of doors for me. It showed me that there's other people out there that's sort of like me with the same problems, but we all have the same dream.
Disability can happen to anybody at any time, with sudden onset or with just general aging. The aspects of life that Independence First focuses on and strives for, particularly in the areas of access, housing, and societal acceptance, are going to be important to just about everybody at any point in their life.
So when we talk about Dr. King and his dream and his focus, I think it's very much aligned with that of Independence First, and that we all want to be included.
I think that Independence First's work relates to the work of Dr. King from a philosophical standpoint of putting the individual first. Not what they look like, it's who they are as a person.
We try to make sure that people with disabilities are treated equally as Martin Luther King would want, and be able to people who don't have disabilities to see us as equals.
We really try and reach the entire community and promote Dr. King's mission for civil rights of everybody.
I'd like to congratulate Independence First for receiving this award and also for making my life a whole lot better.
Congratulations to Independence First on this very prestigious award for diversity and inclusion. You deserve it.